Are your legs betraying you? Feeling wobbly, weak, or just not what they used to be? Here's the shocking truth. Weak legs after 60 aren't just old age creeping in. They're a screaming red flag that your body is begging for help. Ignore this, and you're rolling the dice on falls, fractured bones, or losing the freedom to live life on your terms. But here's the flip side. You can rebuild those legs, reclaim your strength, and stride confidently into your golden years. In this video, we're diving deep into the 5 critical reasons your legs are weakening after 60, backed by science. And we'll share practical, life-changing steps you can start today to turn things around. Plus, I'll sprinkle in some personal insights from my journey of helping seniors rediscover their vitality. Let's get started before it's too late. Reason number 5, muscle loss, sarcopenia. Let's kick things off with the silent thief stealing your leg strength, sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. This isn't just a buzzword. It's a biological process that starts sneaking up in your 30s and hits the gas pedal after 60. By your 80s, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass if you don't act. Thinner thighs, wobbly calves, or feeling like a short walk wipes you out. That's sarcopenia knocking. But here's the empowering part, you can fight it. Strength exercises don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. Try chair squats, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair, stand up slowly, then sit back down, 10 reps, 3 times a day. Or leg lifts, while seated, extend one leg straight out, hold for 5 seconds, then lower, 10 reps per leg. Resistance bands are another game changer. Loop one around your ankles and step side to side for 15 reps to wake up those muscles. Nutrition is your secret weapon. Protein rebuilds muscle, so aim for 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. Think lean meats like chicken or turkey, eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, or almonds. For a 150-pound senior, that's about 54 to 82 grams of protein, roughly a chicken breast, a couple of eggs, and a handful of nuts spread across your day. Walking 15 minutes daily keeps those muscles engaged, too. Personal insight: when I started working with seniors, I saw my 68-year-old neighbor, Joan, transform her life with just 10-minute walks and protein-packed smoothies. She went from struggling to climb her porch steps to hosting dance nights in her backyard. It's not magic, it's consistency. Reason number 4, poor circulation, peripheral artery disease. Ever notice your legs feel cold, heavy, or cramp up after a short walk? That's a sign of poor circulation, often tied to peripheral artery disease, PAD, where plaque clogs arteries, starving your legs of oxygen-rich blood. PAD isn't just uncomfortable, it's a warning of heart disease or stroke risk. Symptoms include numbness, tingling, or pain in your calves that eases when you rest. To boost circulation, start with daily walks. Even 10 minutes around your living room or backyard helps. Stay hydrated, aim for 8 to 10 cups of water daily, more if you're active. Cut back on salt to reduce swelling, swap processed snacks for fresh veggies. Warm foot soaks, 15 minutes in warm water with a sprinkle of Epsom salt, or leg massages with gentle upward strokes can work wonders. Elevate your legs on a pillow for 15 to 20 minutes daily to reduce pressure. If symptoms linger, see your doctor. PAD isn't something to ignore. Pro tip: foods like beets, spinach, and walnuts are rich in nitrates, which naturally improve blood flow. Add them to your grocery list. Reason number 3, nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Do your legs feel like they're buzzing, burning, or numb? Maybe walking feels like stepping on sponges? That's peripheral neuropathy, nerve damage affecting 1 in 3 seniors, especially those with diabetes or low vitamin B12. High blood sugar or B12 deficiency slowly erodes nerve health, leading to weakness, balance issues, and fall risks. Protect your nerves with a B12-rich diet: eggs, salmon, fortified cereals, or leafy greens like kale. Aim for 2.4 micrograms of B12 daily, check labels or ask your doctor about supplements if needed. If you're diabetic, monitor blood sugar diligently, keeping it stable prevents further nerve damage. Limit alcohol, as it's a nerve toxin. Gentle foot massages with a tennis ball under your foot for 5 minutes daily can stimulate nerves. If numbness persists, don't wait, get a doctor's evaluation. Personal insight: my uncle ignored tingling in his feet for years, thinking it was just aging. A B12 test revealed a deficiency, and after adding supplements and daily foot massages, he's back to gardening without wobbling. Small changes, big impact. Reason number 2, spinal issues, sciatica and herniated discs. Your lower back is the unsung hero of leg strength. Problems like sciatica, herniated discs, or spinal stenosis, narrowing of the spinal canal, can pinch nerves, causing leg weakness, pain radiating down your legs, or even sudden leg give-outs. Poor posture from years of slouching doesn't help. Try knee to chest stretches. Lie on your back, pull one knee to your chest, hold for 20 seconds, then switch, 5 reps per side. Seated spinal twists are great too. Sit upright, twist gently to one side, hold for 15 seconds, then switch. Avoid long sitting sessions. Every 30 minutes, stand, stretch, or walk for a minute. A lumbar support pillow for your chair can align your spine better. Pro tip: core strength supports your spine. Try a simple plank hold for 10 to 20 seconds daily, on your knees if needed. A strong core equals stronger legs. Reason number 1, electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Sudden leg cramps at night? Shakiness out of nowhere? You might be low on magnesium or potassium, minerals critical for muscle function. Dehydration, diuretics, or a diet low in greens can cause this. Low potassium triggers spasms or irregular heartbeats, while low magnesium leads to twitching or fatigue. Boost potassium with bananas, 400 milligrams per fruit, sweet potatoes, or spinach. For magnesium, snack on almonds, 80 milligrams per ounce, dark chocolate, 65 milligrams per ounce, or black beans. Aim for 3,400 milligrams potassium and 320 to 420 milligrams magnesium daily for seniors. Hydrate with 8 to 10 cups of water, and try a warm Epsom salt bath, 2 cups of salts in warm water. Soak for 15 minutes to relax muscles. If cramps persist, ask your doctor about testing mineral levels. Personal insight: I used to wake up with brutal calf cramps until I started adding a banana and a handful of almonds to my daily routine. No more midnight Charlie horses, it's like night and day. Putting it all together, your action plan. Weak legs aren't a life sentence, they're a wake-up call. Here's your daily game plan. Exercise: 10 to 15 minutes of walking, plus 5 to 10 chair squats or leg lifts. Nutrition: load up on protein, chicken, eggs, lentils, B12-rich foods, salmon, greens, and minerals, bananas, almonds. Hydration: 8 to 10 cups of water daily, less salt, more fresh produce. Circulation and nerve health: warm soaks, massages, and elevating legs. Spinal care: stretch, move every 30 minutes, and use lumbar support. Start small, 5 minutes of movement today is better than none. Consistency beats perfection. If you're unsure where to start or have persistent symptoms, consult your doctor. Falls and frailty aren't inevitable. You have the power to stay strong and independent. My story, helping seniors rediscover their strength, has been my passion since I saw my own parents struggle post-60. Simple habits, like daily walks and nutrient-packed meals, gave them back their energy and confidence. I'm no doctor, just someone who's seen the difference small changes make. You're not alone in this journey, and every step forward counts. Call to action. If this video sparked hope or surprised you, hit that like button. It helps us reach more seniors who need this. Subscribe and tap the bell for weekly tips to stay strong, healthy, and independent. Drop a comment. Which of these reasons shocked you most? Got a leg strengthening tip that works for you? Share it below. We're all in this together. And if you know someone who needs a boost, share this video with them. Let's keep moving forward, one strong step at a time.